Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can expand your backpack in OneHuman. So first we will go to Metrics and then Special Nodes here. Here you will need to unlock the Gravel and Log on the Go specialization, which becomes available at level 15. And as this is RNG based, you might not get it on your first try. So what you can do, you can basically reset this by clicking here, and as you can see it says reset memetic specialization, and it will cost you this thing called specialization cleaner. And once you reset it, you will get more chance to get this gravel and log on the go specialization. Once you unlock this specialization, you can basically go to the build menu and under facilities and let me see, production processes. Yep, production processing, you will find intermediate gear workbench, and you will need to build this, and you can also unlock this in the menu. Now once done, you can simply go to the intermediate supplies workbench to craft the backpack expansion. Now this upgrade reduces the weight of log, gravel and ore by 40% to 80% depending on the tier you choose. So basically there are 3 tiers: 40%, 60% and 80%. And that's it for today's video on how to expand your backpack. If this video helped you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.